Get ready to build LEGO Stunning Creator Typewriter. Assuming the typewriter wants to be built, these creator sets offer you 3 incredible options to build. The reader in me just had to pick the typewriter. It has a really cool sliding mechanism for the typewriter carriage. DJ Becky! Once we attach the little keyboard, it really starts to come together. Even Luna thought our typewriter was coming along. As we keep building the carriage, we've added a paper bale to help hold our mini parchment. LEGO even lets you pick the opening line for your work of art. Now let's decorate our adorable typewriter with these really pretty flowers. Look how cute it turned out! I'm so impressed! This definitely makes the list of my favorite LEGO builds. Be sure to like and follow for more LEGO fun.